By the way, there is a difference of opinion in reciting SurahKahf on Friday, if the hadith is sahih. My heart is more inclined to the idea that reciting it any day of the week is right, and the reward is still there. But restricting it on the Friday is not only the day where the reward is connected to. If you read it on Monday, you still get the reward. Tuesday, you get the reward. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. The ahadith that restrict it to Friday are not authentic. But the hadiths that keep it general are authentic. Does that make sense? So you can read it on Friday, you get the reward. You can read it on Saturday, you get the reward. You can read it on Thursday, you get the reward. Read it on Friday, Monday, Tuesday, whichever day you want. Does that make sense? Some people they think it's specific to that Friday because of the narrations. And yes, there are some scholars who authenticated it. But I'm of the opinion that those narrations restricting Friday, I'm a Friday night, I'm a Friday daytime, are not authentic. But if you take the authenticity, it's fine, inshallah. The issue of sahih and da'if, it's an ijtihadi issue. Opinions are different on sides. No one should impose his view onto others. So next Friday you still can come to the class. No one's going to kick you out of the class for holding that opinion.